I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use spirulina tablets for fish. Spirulina is a fantastic natural supplement, packed with essential nutrients that promote vibrant colors and overall health in your aquatic friends. It significantly boosts their immune system, helping them ward off common ailments. Plus, it aids in digestion, which can lead to cleaner tank water. It's a truly beneficial addition to their diet. When selecting spirulina tablets, always opt for high-quality products designed for aquarium use. Make sure they are free from unnecessary binders or artificial additives that could harm your fish. For smaller fish, you might need to break larger tablets into more manageable pieces. A quick soak in tank water before feeding can also soften them, making them easier for your fish to consume. There are a couple of effective ways to feed spirulina tablets. You can use a suction cup clip to attach them to the aquarium glass, which is great for most fish. Alternatively, simply drop tablets directly into the tank for your bottom-feeding species. For optimal benefits, aim to feed spirulina tablets 2 to 3 times per week. Remember to adjust the amount based on your specific fish and tank size. To ensure the best results, avoid overfeeding, as this can lead to water quality problems and unwanted algae growth. Always observe your fish to confirm they are actively consuming the tablets. Proper storage is also key. Keep your spirulina tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Finally, introduce spirulina gradually, allowing your fish time to adapt to this new, beneficial food source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.